Okay, we're at Wonderland shooting range. My girl is going to learn how to shoot a handgun today. We're here with all the guys here. We're getting ready to go. Drove down a very long driveway. It was nice. It was all cement. So, are you excited to shoot a handgun?
I am scared.
Scared. She's a little scared, she says. That's okay. That's all right. Waiting for Kuya. Kuya's bringing the guns out. There he is. Good morning, Kuya. And we got a selections of guns to use. We got AR platform 5.6. This looks like 1022 Ruger, if I'm not mistaken. We've got a 9mm, another 9, 45, and a 45. So pretty excited getting to shoot here. I believe we're going to go down the trail here. It's a nice balmy 86 degrees starting out at 9 a.m. in the morning. Different shooting range. Nice, nice setup down here. Okay, this is just like ours. Very nice, huh?
I'm scared.
Don't do it.
I'm scared.
Don't do it.
Wag mo hilap po tayo, balik sa pa, dali mo dito mo. Napuroy mo, isa yan na dumunguha ito.
Wow, you hit it! Woo!
More.
Nice! Line it up.
You have to
pull the
put it
trigger.
down.
Have to go down.
Baba ng konti, ma'am. Baba pa. Yan.
Okay, hindi yan gagalaw kasi dahil
There you go.
Okay.
Now pull the trigger slowly. Yeah!
Sir, she did know. Oh, you finish.
Oh, yeah.
She getting cry.
Aray. Mainit pa ka to.
Oo, mainit din, ma'am.
In there, filled with water. I hit a couple of them. And then bullseyes on the 45.
Hindi ka naangat lang.
Jen, ito lapitan, Jen.
Hindi ka tulad ng 45 is a big kick na. Ito ma'am.
I'm scared.
Yeah, that's okay. You have to respect it. That's okay to be scared. You did good. You hit twice.
Almost. Good. So what about more, sir? Okay? Sir, if you cannot broke, we go eat.
That's yeah.
Over there.
Wow, that's a heck of a knife. What do you call that knife? Bola? Bola. That's a bulo knife. Kuya's cutting up what I killed out there. I killed those coconuts.
Wala, bagak ko nun.
Jaja?
Oh, looks yum. Oh,
No. You go like this or you need a cap?
cup,
Cap, sir.
because
Matay to begin with.
you know.
You go
Oh.
like that.
Wow!
Okay.
Ma'am, ito mo.
Look at that. Wow, that's yum yum.
Boko juice.
That's
Fresh.
cocoa juice.
Boko
Yum.
juice.
Boca. Yum yum. That's sweet.
Last one mama, nabay tubig. Saro, this is the chef. Give me the
Oh,
kutsara.
Matigas ata to eh.
Dahil na ito ma'am,
Sacho,
ano na ito ma'am, anong matanda-tanda na ba?
oh.
You can eat sir.
You bite.
That's good.
Yum yum.